Hey, what's up, fam? Today I'm gonna show you how to make an absolutely delicious brown gravy recipe. Now this recipe is super simple. It can be done under 10 minutes, fam. And it'll have you in the game. It's the perfect gravy for your table, for your dinner table this holiday, fam. Let me stop talking so we can get down to this workstation and let me show you how simple it is. Hey fam, let's get in the game and make this absolutely delicious gravy, easy recipe. Hey, we going in with some chicken broth, and then we're gonna hit it with some beef broth. Then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of W sauce. Going in with a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder. To give it a nice little dark color, we're gonna go in with some browning sauce. And then I'm gonna hit you with a teaspoon of this Better Than Bouillon beef base. And we're gonna get everything mixed. Now we're gonna bring this up to a boil, and while it's coming up to a boil, I'm gonna add me a cornstarch slurry. Now you can do it with a roux if you like, but this is gonna make it simple. It's gonna make it easy, and you're gonna be in the game. Now what we wanna do is we wanna get this to the consistency of where we want it. So the thickness, so let this cook to your desired thickness and you'll be in the game, fam. And as you see right here, hey, it ain't been that long since I put that cornstarch slurry in there, and it's starting to thicken right before your very eyes. So based on how you like your gravy, you know what I'm saying? You let this thing cook, and it's not gonna take long. That's why I say if you add that cornstarch slurry, hey, it'll go a little bit quicker than you making the roux. But the roux will be absolutely delicious too, fam. So I'm gonna let this go for a couple of minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and reduce my heat. Actually, I'm gonna kill the heat, and I'm gonna keep this moving. And fam, we gonna be in the game. Yes, sir. And as it cools, it's gonna thicken too. So you're gonna be in the game. But if you see it right there, hey, it's coating the side of that pan. Yes, sir. Now, after you let this cook for a couple of minutes, fam, and you got that nice consistency where you want it, fam, you in the game. And if you're doubting yourself and you don't think your gravy is thick enough, hey, take you a spoon like that. And if it's able to coat that back, hey, and you see it right there. Now, fam, you got the thickness and consistency that you want it. You just gonna add you some cold butter into that gravy. And then this is gonna give it a nice, silky, smooth texture. And you're gonna let that butter melt. Fam, you're gonna have an absolutely, and I'll say absolutely delicious brown gravy recipe. Simple, easy. Hey, you can do this in less than 10 minutes, fam. Hey, you are in the game. All right, fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious brown gravy recipe, and look at that right there. Yes, sir. Hey, it's absolutely flavorful. Hey, you see those mashed potatoes? Don't forget to check out that video. Some absolutely delicious, creamy mashed potatoes. And you know what I gotta do? I gotta get us a taste test, fam. Hey, cheers. And that right there, fam, let me tell you, that is absolutely amazing. And you got those nice creamy mashed potatoes, and that gravy is perfectly done. Woo. Check out that mashed potato video. I'm telling you, fam, you will love this right here. I'm sure your family, your guests are gonna be raving about those mashed potatoes and this gravy. Fam, we in the game.